Hello, I'm Miss Megan from Cooper-Siegel Community Library, and this is Library Byte. Each week we will share a resource or tip that will hopefully make the school year a little bit easier. We hope that these videos are helpful to you and your family. Today I have a resource for elementary students. You're going to start at our website, Cooper-Siegel-Community-Library.org, and click on Research and Education. And click on All Databases. You can think of databases like online libraries. There is selected content that has been made easy to find. You will find electronic versions of encyclopedias, books, magazine articles, newspaper articles, photographs. Sometimes you will find videos. So it's a nice wide variety of content that is all electronic, so it's easy to find online and easy to use online, and a little bit different than Google, where there's lots of content and it's being published by a wide variety of different sources. A database is published by one big source. Usually it's a publisher that's very well known for doing print versions as well, and very often you are seeing the electronic version of a print book. So there's a bunch of different resources on here. We're going to highlight Kids Info Bits by Gail, and if you click on it, you will get sent to the site. This site is state funded, and it will ask you for your library card number, so make sure that you have that handy when you go to use this. And then here we are. You can change the language that the website is in if it makes it a little bit easier to navigate this site, to have the pieces of the website put into a different language. You can change that. It also has a really nice kind of discovery space, so you can find out what the three main parts of plants are and a little bit more about plants. It also has topics that you can explore. So if you have a kid that really loves thinking about sports or plants or art and music, they can go in and just explore the content, which is kind of fun. I really love to use these databases for science projects and other research. So let's see, let's look up electricity. So here is our content that's been pulled up for electricity. The first thing that you see is a general definition for electricity, and you can keep reading. There's some quick facts, and then you have your different pieces of content that you can pick. There are 2 online versions of books by Gail, and then there's also an article from Britannica Student Encyclopedia. You will see under news articles, there are things from USA Today and CNN. Magazines have content from Science World and biographies as well. All of these have more content that you can explore. There's some pictures and some videos, as well as some ideas for related topics. So you have a lot of content that you can dig into and take a look at for science projects and research, or just because it's something that you're interested in. If we click on any of these, so let's click on Britannica, they also provide a quick way to cite the information, as well as a way to send it to different places. You can send it to your Google Drive, you can download it, you can print it. And so it gives you a lot of options for what you can do next with the art. If you have any questions about this resource or any of our other resources, feel free to give us a phone call or send us an email, and we would be happy to help you out. Also, the library will be reopened to the public starting October 1st, so we would be happy to help you work through things in the library as well.